To perform the cable chest fly, start by gripping your handles on both sides and taking a powerful step forward. Position your body so that there's tension on your pectoral muscles so that when you stretch back, you feel a nice stretch in your chest. Exhale as you pull forward and squeeze your chest at the top. Then inhale as you come back, getting a nice stretch through the pectoral muscle, core engaged. Don't let your arms get slack and keep a slight bend in the elbows the entire time. Keep good form through all programmed repetitions. The cable chest fly is a staple accessory exercise that integrates my shoulder blades with my pectoral muscles. I've got 2 cables and some handles. Let's get into it. The cable chest fly is an excellent accessories exercise. You can see that Katie's got a strong stance and that when she comes back, she gets a great stretch through the pectoral muscle and lets her shoulder blades come back. Then as she comes forward, she flexes down strong and keeps good focus in both arms while maintaining the same bend, not letting them go straight and not bending them too far either. She's keeping a strong core and a good stance. Great job, Katie.